I'm Jordan Nielsen. I am the Business and Entrepreneurship Librarian at Rutgers University. So we're in the Carr Library on the Livingston campus. And what's new is the Career Collection Room, which is not really new, but we've gone through an update recently thanks to generosity from University Career Services. They've put a lot of effort into updating our furniture and signage. So those are kind of the new aspects of the space. So I teamed up with some of the career specialists over there. We developed a workshop series. Our next workshop will be offered on February 8th for international students who are interested in finding out more about careers and employers, doing research on companies, those kinds of things. And then beyond that, we're going to offer a resume critique service, which is peer-to-peer. So it's students who've been trained to go through resumes and give students tips and guidance about how they could strengthen their resumes. And then we will be having some meetups that we'll be hosting later in the semester that are sponsored by University Career Services, where they bring students from what they call career clusters, so different kind of majors, backgrounds, and they come in and they talk about various different things, so like graduate school planning or planning for the gap year or those kinds of things. And we're also going to be doing Career Thursdays on social media, where we'll be posting tips, helpful information about using our resources to find career information. So people can go to the library's website or they can contact me directly for more information.